pretties, and welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? How's it going? As you can see, I cut my hair again. Like, why? Because I cut all my perm off, because you know there's these rumors going around that perms give you cancer now, so it's like, okay, whatever, you know. So we just cut the rest of the perm off and we just did what we did or whatever. So whatever. Today we are gonna do another taping video on short hair, because you know I cut my hair and this time it's not relaxed. So this is like natural hair. I straightened it. Took me forever to straighten this barely hair, and that's where we're at. And I have an undercut. So we're gonna see how that goes with the undercut, okay? So today we're gonna be using YOU LVNATU. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's what it's called, and we using this hair. Thank you so much for giving me this hair, girl. I love it. It's nice and cute and stuff. These are tape-ins. They gave me 14 inches of yaki straights. I'm gonna show you guys the texture and everything like that. I don't know how many pieces are in here, but they gave me extra tape-ins and the star of the show, baby. Look what they gave me. Look at it. Obviously the hair is the star of the show, but look at this. This is so cute. Like, they gave me the tools to do the tape-ins. So they gave me these clips, about 5 or 6. I think somewhere in the bathroom I was using them, but these are so cute. And then look at the inside of them. They like have like this elastic little thing right here. I have yet to figure out what they're for, but that's legit. Too legit to quit. Like, okay, I like that. Like, I don't know what it's for, but I know it's important. And then we have our tape-in tool right here. I love this. Look at this. You can like unbutton this and then get the tape-in tool out. So, and damn Shazam, thank you, ma'am. Yes, I love it. Yes, yes, yes. And then it comes with a parting comb. We all need that. And then it also comes with this flyaway tamer. That's what I'm gonna call it, because this tames your flyaways, and they have more tape-ins. So that's great. There's so many. But oh, and it comes with the extra elastic thing, so you can take them off. I was looking at that. I was like, should I take them off? Because I don't really... Oh yeah, you could pop them off. So that's legit. That's too legit to quit. Anyway, I just be talking. But anyway, so these are 14 inches. Like I said, they're in the natural 1B texture. Yes, ma'am. This is actually really soft. I was not expecting that. This is very soft. I don't know why I wasn't expecting it. I don't know, like, because I don't know, for yaki hair I just expected it to be more coarse, but it's still coarse, but it's soft. You know how, because this is processed hair. When it's yaki, it's processed, so like you just never know. But this is some good hair. Okay, LVNATU, that's what I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you LVNATU, okay? LVNATU, that's your name, girl. YOU LVNATU. And please don't. I should have asked, but I'm sorry. I'll ask later. There's the hair. There's some more. So I got 2 of these, and let me count how many are in here so you guys know how many I'm going to use. I'm not going to use all of this, because as you can see, my hair is short and we don't need all of that. So there's 20. I'm sure there's 20 in each of them, so I have in total 40 pieces. And remember, when you do tape-ins, you are sticking them together. I'm not gonna use all of these, but this hair is phenomenal. Let me just tell you, this hair is phenomenal. It's so soft. It's so effing soft. Like, yes, girl, you did that. Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm just parting my hair up right now, not doing much. But yeah, I put away all the hairs that I wanted to, you know, cover up the tape-ins. So this is the method I'm trying. I'm going to do it in a circular motion because I want to put in a straight back ponytail, not a high pony. And so here I am, I'm dancing, so that's why I look like bouncy, like girl chill. But like, there I am doing it. And yeah, so I'm taking the thinnest layer of hair so that these tape-ins stick better. But if you want it to stick like for a long time, I would put the extra tape-ins on there and just stick it on that way. But you guys have seen my videos of putting on tape-ins, so this isn't rocket science. You know, you just put it in, put it on. But I do it like the upside down way now. So yeah, that's how I do it. And then I flip it back down, and then I use my rat tail comb to get a thin slice of hair, and I just plop it on top, you know, with the little tool that I have, which very convenient, by the way. But if you want it to stick better, you can use like the thin flat iron. You can use that, or you can add the extra tape-ins to make it stick for a longer time. But yeah, that's it, girl. This is no rhyme or no reason. There it is. You can leave extra hair out if you want, and that's about it. Yeah. And what I meant by that is if you want to leave a lot of space in between your hair, you can do that. I kind of did that, but since my hair is so short, I kind of like put the tracks closer together, or the tape-ins. So yeah.
Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing. I know healing.
Okay, so I mean, for the most part, my short hair is like hidden. Like for the most part, I mean, you can see some pieces, but it's too hot to be wearing it down. But if I were to, I'd probably push it back. Like I would push it back, and then I would, just the way I applied them. But I'm probably going to lay it back tonight. Well, I am gonna lay it back tonight, and then I can show you guys what it looks like in the morning. But this is what it looked like all together, baby. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail just to show you. Just to show you what it looked like. I am from California, okay? I don't have an accent. I just be talking. Oh, this battery about to die. Don't do that, baby. Why you doing that, honey? Okay, you guys, so here we go. I did not style it because honestly my hair is so short, and it's hot. It's like in the triple digits every day out here, which is fine. Like 106 is fine. 103 is fine. 101 is great. 90, but 100, top tier. Okay? But this 115, this 117, 118, even 112 is pushing it. Okay? It's getting hot. How watts? Remember when people used to write like that with the W? How watts? It's hot. I don't like it. Tell Mother Nature to stop. Anyway, this is crazy. Like, it's so hot. But this is the style we have, because am I gonna be doing my hair? No. Does it look like my hair? Yes. Cause we natural now, babes. Babes, we natural now. And we virgin too. Because I cut off the hair dye, baby. Hopefully I cut off all the hair dye, because I do dye my hair black, you know. But you know, my hair is like a 1B. Like, it's like a 1B. But my therapist one time said it had a red hue, which was kind of weird. But she said it had a red hue, so it's like a red hue. That's what she said. So I don't know. But not my white therapist. She was a black lady. I had multiple. But anyway, this is, yeah. So this looks like my natural like color. Like, it looks really good. Like, I'm feeling it. I think what I need to work on is like the placement of the, you know, the tape-ins. I was trying to do like a circular motion so I can just put it in a ponytail, but the ponytail that I was trying to do is like a straight back, because my edges are so thin, you know. I can't do a high pony because it's thin. Like, that's ugh. So you know when your hair ain't done, you don't feel the best. So that's what it is. Anyway, so yeah, next time I'm just going to like just be more precise about how I lay it. So if I know that I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail like this, I'm gonna make sure I like try to pull it up every time, so I know that it's gonna hit as best as it can. But it's not hitting that bad. I just don't want to feel the extensions, and when I do this I feel them like they're poking out, you know, and I don't like that. Which I could push them back, but still I don't like that, you know. So but anyway, girl, this is what it is, so that's it. But yeah, thank you to you guys for watching and continuing to support me. I'm happy about it, and keep doing it, honey. I'm back. But don't forget, you are pretty, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Okay? Okay. Bye. Love you. No flitter. No flitter. Except for this glitter. But no flitter. No flitter. No flitter. No flitter. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? You like my hair? You like my hair, girl? No flitter. Oh no. I jumped in the pool. But the hair's still looking good though. And it still moves. We can do that. But she's struggling.
There is a space between